Alright, make sure that you are now in the practice setting. Let's get rid of that. You're now in the practice part of this module 2 on angles. One thing you're going to have to do, there is some directions that you are going to have to do differently. So ask me, you're not going to actually use any protractors on this. I'll have you do something else instead. But let's go ahead and look at number 1, 2, 3, and 4. It says use symbols to name each angle 3 different ways. And number 1, we've learned how we can label this angle P, T, R. You can label it just angle T because this is the vertex. The vertex is T, so you can use just that. Or you can label it angle R, T, P. Number 2, we can do angle G, H, I. You could also do just angle H, again, because that is the vertex that they have in common. Or you can do angle I, H, G. Next, we have number 3, which you can do angle U, V, W, just angle W. Oh, sorry, not angle W. That won't work. Angle V, that is the vertex that they have common. Or angle W, V, U. This right angle can be labeled as angle M, N, O. Just angle N, the vertex here. Or angle O, N, M. Which angle has the greatest measure? Well, if we're looking at these angles, it looks like number 1, angle PTR. I'm going to call it angle T. So angle T is the greatest because it is an obtuse angle. While angle smallest, like looking at it, looks like angle H is the smallest, even though angle H and I are both acute. I think angle H is smaller. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the next one. That's not what I want. I want that and that. Okay, classify each angle. Move that over a little bit. So I need to make it a little bit smaller. Okay, this angle is obviously greater than 90 degrees, which makes it obtuse. Number 7 is less than 90, which makes it acute. This symbol here tells me that this is a 90-degree right angle. This is not, this symbol, remember this symbol here is not the same as the square. It's just a rounded arc like that. That's just the measurement of the angle. That looks greater than 90, so it's obtuse. Here we have a straight angle because this is a straight, doesn't go up or down. You connect and draw a straight line through it. That's a 180-degree angle. That makes it a straight angle. Number 11 would be acute. Number 12 would be acute. And I think 13 is a little bit greater than 90, so it would be obtuse. Okay, this is the one that says that you should use your protractor, but you don't have to use your protractor. In this case, I just want you to draw an angle and label it. So in this case, 35-degree angle, we know it's going to be less than 90. So just estimate what it would look like. In this case, we're going to draw an angle somewhere along that. I'm going to name it with the vertex J. So this is angle J. Put a little arc here. Make it 35 degrees. 145-degree angle would be an obtuse angle. It'd be pretty large. Here's my vertex. My arrow's in. This is my angle. We'll call it P. And this is going to be 145 degrees. 110 is only a little bit bigger than 90. So we'll go like this. 110 degrees. 75-degree angle is going to be less than 90, but pretty close to 90. We're going to go this way. Oh, let's make this angle vertex S. Just an example. You could have used different letters. 75 degrees. We'll call that angle T. So that's all I want you to do for 14, 15, 16, and 17. Just give me an idea that you understand what that degree of angle would look like. Let's get the last two. 18, 19. What are the measures of the angles from least to greatest? An obtuse angle, a right angle, a straight angle, and an acute angle. So the smallest is going to be acute because it's less than 90 degrees. Then you will have a right angle because it's exactly 90 degrees. Then you will have a obtuse angle because it's between 91 and 170, between 90 and 180. So 91 to 179 would be obtuse. And the last one would be straight. That would be the largest angle. The sum of which two types of angles give you a straight angle. Well, if you look at the definition of a straight angle, it equals 180 degrees. So what two angles can I add up to equal 180? And that is a right angle and a right angle. Both 90 plus 90 equals your 180 degrees. You're now done with the practice. Go ask Mr. Mattson what you need to do next.